Welcome to peaceful living homes, where beauty meets simplicity. These tiny homes aren't just small, they're stunning. With elegant design, smart space use, and breathtaking surroundings, they outshine most mansions. Cozy interiors, natural light, and peaceful views make them a dream. Who says you need thousands of square feet to live luxuriously? Tiny homes are rewriting the rules of luxury living. From mountain hideaways to lakeside retreats, these compact spaces offer pure charm and comfort. Every inch is crafted with love, stylish, efficient, and full of soul. Sometimes, the smallest spaces hold the biggest peace. Imagine a home so cozy, so well-designed, that it makes mansions feel cold. These tiny homes are personal sanctuaries, with open layouts, warm wood tones, and nature right outside. They give you exactly what you need, and nothing you don't. Simple, stunning, and stress-free. Forget marble floors and chandeliers. These tiny homes offer something even better: peace. Built with intention and heart, every window, wall, and corner is made to relax the mind. Whether nestled in forests or perched by rivers, they feel like a deep breath of fresh air. Less space, more beauty. These tiny homes are proof that smart design and natural surroundings can create something extraordinary. Modern kitchens, cozy lofts, and stunning views, all packed into a perfect little footprint. Who needs a mansion when you have this much warmth? There's a quiet kind of luxury that comes with tiny living. These homes offer it all: elegance, comfort, and a connection to nature. They're crafted to feel open, airy, and alive. In a world of excess, these tiny spaces feel like the true definition of home. These aren't your average small houses. They're peaceful retreats wrapped in beauty. Tiny homes with big personality, filled with light, love, and charm. From garden porches to panoramic windows, every detail is thoughtful. They may be small, but their impact is massive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.